video for this afternoon. I'm playing with a professional. I'm playing against Charles. So, magpupustahan kami ni Charles. If I win, may libre akong session kay Charles. Pag nanalo naman si Charles, meron siyang dagdag baon sa school niya. So, syempre hindi kami may match. We will be playing, may plus ako, 4-4. Kasi he's currently playing 0 handicap. Ako, I'm currently 8. So, let's see. Meron ako sa front 4 stroke, sa back 4 points. Di ba gawin na lang natin pala, Charles, total stroke na lang, 8 total stroke sa buong round. Ayan. Welcome to the channel ulit, Charles. Ayan. Okay, so tingnan natin if kaya ko. Can I beat a professional golfer? June golfer. Matinding challenge to. Playing with a consistent champion na June golfer, si Charles, the 16-year-old phenom. Okay, starting this content or this video sa hole number 1, 471 yards. I will lay up with a 4-iron. Tapos si Charles is going for it. Tatawirin na ni Charles. Hinangin, no? Nice shot. So ito na. It begins the challenge. If I can beat Charles. Ayan si Charles. The young amateur prodigy. Okay. Let's see. Good luck, Charles. Huwag mo masyadong galingan, ha?
Sige po.
Let's see. Hole number 1. Plus 10 daw bibigay sa akin ni Charles. Total. May ebidensya sa video. Kumain ka, Charles, di ba? Plus 4 lang. Plus 4. Pero total 8. Let's see kung kakayanin natin si Charles. Let's see. Hitting my second shot. I was nag-open yung tee shot ko. So hitting mga 30 yards. 50 yards before the water. I am left with 240 yards to the flag. I will try to go for it with my hybrid. Si Charles nakatawid. Nandyan siya sa likod ng puno. Pero I think he's in trouble also. 3 trouble. Kick right. Sumabit ba ulit?
Kumaliwa sir eh.
Just landed left of the fairway, little short, 38 yards to the flag. So saktong tirang mga 30. I'll try to nip it. Ay! Sa kaliwa.
Tama na.
Charles chipping for eagle. For birdie mo yan, Charles, ano? For bird mo yan? For par mo yan? Pinanch mo pala ba sa dos kanina? We are both putting for par pala. Parang may halos isang cup. Tama? +1? Firm lang. No?
Yep. Pwede sir,
+1.
Hi!
Pakimark. Okay na yung shot. Uy!
Ay, ganun din.
Kulang. Ay, sorry, kulang. Malaki pala yung ano. Ay, bogey.
Okay, no blood.
So after hole 1, we both bogeyed the hole. Playing 447 yards. Handicap 1, dogleg left. We'll see. Ganda. Perfect. Good shot, Charles.
Nice shot.
Nasa kabilang butas kami. Punch out na naman. Talagang gustong bigyan ng baon yung bata.
Walang bago.
Ha?
Walang bago. Sa kabilang fairway.
Hindi ba walang bago? Nasa puno na naman tayo. Bagay, ganun din yun. Labas!
Oh, sige pa.
Labas! Ay! Look behind. 145 yards. So, with the wind eh. 145. Okay. Up and down for par.
Go.
Tayo. Sobra pitching mo siya. Charles to go up and down for a par. Ako up and down for a bogey. Sobrang bilis ng akin dito. This is around 10 yards siguro natira. Kulang sa kaliwa.
Tama.
Kulang sa kaliwa. Charles for par. Good par. Good putt. Nailay. Okay, my lead now is down to 7 strokes. Charles made par, I made bogey. Hole number 3, playing 186 yards with the wind. Either maybe a 7 or an 8 yard. Pero baka dapat 7 lang. Ganun din.
Nice shot.
Went over the green. Buti na lang local rules. Free drop sa GUR. Left to right. Yan, gano'ng kalaki sa kaliwa bigay mo dyan?
Ito, may good set.
Pero mabilis na eh, di ba? Charles, for his first birdie of the day. Ako I'm putting for par. I have that for par. Mapagbigay, mapagbigay. Parang kalabang kita. Okay, 4 paces for par.
Right inside ako, sir.
Right inside. Firm ano?
Firm lang.
Lakas. Ito pa, Charles. Gitna na. Left
Left
inside.
inside.
Hindi ko lang pinalata. Kinakabahan ako doon. Okay, mag-double bogey pa yun. Okay, currently, I'm still leading 6 strokes kay Charles. Hindi pa siya. Mabait pa siya. Pinagbibigyan pa niya ako. Hanggang hole 16 pagbigyan mo ako, ha? Okay, pinaghahandaan. May tournament si Charles bukas, ha? Good luck. Pagpe-pray pa natin si Charles para manalo siya tomorrow sa tournament niya. Okay, so currently, 6 strokes pa lamang ko sa kay Charles. So hole number 4, 324 yards, dog leg left. Alam ko tinatawid mo to. Tatawirin mo ngayon? Okay. At least makakakita ako ng nagtatawid niyan. Tama na. Ay, bumalik. Hindi na tayo pwede mag-3 wood dito.
Nice shot.
I'm left with 86 yards to the flag. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Ha? Good back. Uy! Baba! Sakong kanan? Nakala ko Charles, nakatawid. So hitting his second shot as well. Nakatago si Charles sa puno. Bye. Grabe naman yan. Hanip. Wow. Galing ah. Ay shot Charles. Sobrang downhill. The side hill pa. Sa labas lang ng dating butas. Okay, 11 paces. Mga palong sa east. 2 lang yan?
11?
Oo, 11. Mga 8.
Opo.
Bilis! Wow! Laki nga. Ay, liit lang pala, no? Hindi ganun palaki. Parang pwedeng dito ba? Okay, Charles for his birdie. Mahina. Okay na, Charles. That's good. Ay. Sambola. Left yan? Seryoso?
Left inside.
Kay Weng.
Para kay Weng.
Ang sisi.
Ang sisi.
Si Weng ang magbabayad. Hindi ba pa ganun yung damo, Weng?
Hindi sir. Left inside yan. Firm putt.
I am down to 5 strokes na lead kay Charles. Another bogey for myself. So si Charles nag-par. So playing now hole number 5, 110 yards. 115 pero it's playing on 110. That's against the wind. So I might hit 56 or 50. Malakas sa akin. Okay, 50. Malakas sa akin. Kapus.
Kick left mo.
Charles' second shot. Very unfortunate. Medyo semi-fried egg. That's a technique. Super close mo talaga yung club face. Go! Oof. Charles' second shot. The third. Pinasok. Good shot. I have this spot for birdie to win a stroke naman or get a stroke from Charles. Right to left ano wena? Okay, for birdie. Si Charles is putting for bogey. Right edge. Right edge sa dating butas. Hati-hati sa dating butas. Okay. +1.
Opo.
Okay.
Ay, kulang pa.
Parehas kaming dikit ni Charles, so nag-good na kami to save time. Tsaka kasi nakalimutan na naman ni Wenang pindot. Okay, so hole number 6. So now I am up 6 strokes ulit ako, no? Tama? 6 strokes ulit ako. So hole number 6, dog leg left, 343 yards. 343. Okay, dog leg left.
Nice shot.
Nice shot. Tawid, lusot. A little left lang. May sinabitan. I am left with 82 yards to the flag. Si Charles nandun sa left side. Okay, hitting a 60-degree wedge. Kaliwa to konti, di ba?
Right to left sir.
Right to left.
Go!
Charles' second shot. Siguro around 70 yards to the flag. No, short. Hindi, abot pala. Nice shot, Charles. Okay, just right off. Okay, parehas kami putting birdie. Both Charles and I are putting for birdie. Pero malayo ako. 14 paces. Okay, halos sa linya. Halos sa linya. Kung 14, ha? Oo, no? Kasi akyat baba. Okay, thank you. For 5 points. Ako, umaliwa ka agad. Balik! 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 Parehas kami naman si Charles. Ay hindi, birdie pala si Charles. So, back to 5 strokes na lang ang lead ko kay Charles. So, I made par, si Charles made birdie. So, hole number 7, 327 yards. Si Charles will go for it. Ako hindi. Ayan, si Charles will go for it, 327 yards, dogleg right. Ako, I'll just use a 6 iron, try to fade the golf ball.
Nice shot.
Okay, Charles going for the green with his driver. Nag-draw. Swerte naman. Okay, may cart putt. Safe. I was able to fade the golf ball pero it was too early. So I need to try to punch fade naman around 120 yards. Tingnan ko lang kung magle-left right yung bola sa punch.
Four!
For me to have a chance to win against Charles, dapat yata I need to play smart. Course management, not going for the hero shots. Yan, so napuno na ako. Parang this front nine, I've been punching out mga 3 or 4 times already. So yeah, we'll see. Currently I'm still, because of the plus, I still have 5 strokes from Charles. Okay, let's see. Aga pa naman. Charles' second shot. Punuan. Went over the trees. Wow. Putting for birdie. Ayun lang siya sa left. Good shot, Charles.
Nice shot.
Okay, drop area. 50 yards to the flag. Konting left to right. Baka regular na lang natira, hindi na kailangan inip. Hindi ganun kalaki sa kaliwa yan eh, di ba?
Isang club yan sa kaliwa.
Club? Malaki pala.
Tama na.
Charles with another birdie chance. His second birdie, if ever, for the round. To cut my lead down to 4. Tapos I need to make my par putt. Tumatalon eh. Tumatalon. Okay, chance to... Okay na yun, Charles, that's good. Kanan na naway na. Halos isang cup. Tama ba?
Bilis ang clean.
Okay. Kasi in the mo, no? Right to left. Kung 4, tirang 3 lang. Minus 1 lang. Thank you. Okay, na-save ko yun. Parehas kaming par. I'm still up by 5 strokes. I lead by 5 strokes because of the plus. Galing magbasa nung nasa likod, oh. Galing-galing niya, oh. Kunwari, hindi siya distracted sa afam niya, oh. Okay, so hole number 8, par 3. Hole number 8 is playing 160 yards. Pero yan, it's also against the wind. So saktong 8 iron. Tingnan mo, may pag-asa tayo manalo kay Charles.
Depende yan sa back 9 yan.
Sa plus, depende sa plus yan. Thank you po. Ganun din. Hinangin. Stop. Settle. Naku. Charles' second shot. I think he's going for the flop shot. No, mahirap stop talaga yung bola dito. Hindi na niya finlap. Bilis talaga oh. Stop! Okay, 14 paces. 14 din na regular putt. Half grip left to right for my birdie. Okay, Charles is putting for par.
Yan na po. Birdie po. Birdie mo. Birdie mo. Ay! Nako.
Ganda ng linya.
Pasok sa lumang butas, sir.
Oo nga eh. Okay, nakakuha tayo ng butas kay Charles doon. So, back to 6 strokes yata. Up, yeah, I'm up 6 strokes kay Charles. I was able to par. Charles unfortunately nag-bogey. So, hole number 9, par 5. 511 yards. Okay, layup lang with a 4 iron. Papasok sa bunker.
Thank you.
Huwag ka lang umabot din sa bunker.
Ano yun, Charles? 5?
Ano yung 3?
5 punch.
5?
5 iron yun? Nahiya naman ako. Second shot, playing 290 yards. Since it's downwind, hitting a 3 wood. Ay, nag-fade. Pumasok kaya yun?
Pumasok, sir.
Yun ang... Saka naman kaliwa. Ganda ng ball flight. Yun ang patong. Parang patong Charles ano? Short po. Short ba? Grabe, ganda ng ball flight. Buti na lang, hindi kami umabot sa out of bounds ni Mayna. Need to punch out 60 yards to the flag. So, dito subukan ko ilusot dito. Ano yun? Sa to, dos? No. Okay. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Okay, Charles, na-bunker pala siya. Okay. Galing talaga. Okay. Medyo malayo pa siya. Pinakamalaking dahon sa kaliwa. Sa loob ng butas. Tama, no? Okay. 21 yards to the pin. Ito, kailangan pa baitin to, no? Wow! Okay, Charles putting for his birdie. Ako putting for my par. Okay, we'll see. Na early celebration. Na early celebration walk in. That's good, that's good. Akala ko rin shoot na eh. Thank you, Charles. Salamat. Salamat sa pagbigay. Okay. Hati-hati pa. Firm ano? Paakyat.
Mikot eh.
Pinagbigyan tayo. Uy, ganun din. Ganun din. Okay, recap. Bay talaga na itong batang to. Pinagbibigyan pa ako. Okay, so front 9. I'm 5 over. Si Charles is 2 over. So in terms of yung plus ko, meron pa akong 5 strokes na natitira. Going into the back 9. Thank you, Charles. Okay, hole number 10. It's playing 148 yards against the wind. Pero front pin. So it might be best to just hit a 9 iron. Kanino ka kampe? Sa player mo o sa champion nyo?
Ang hirap naman yan. Para mas madali pang piliin yung kabit tapos yung asawa.
Kabit at asawa. Ayaw sumagot. Ayaw sumagot.
Charles, tab kita ha. Kahit anong mangyari ha. Siyempre si Sarah pipili.
Okay, nagtatampo na si Charles. Wala na, nagalit na.
Hanapin mo yung butas.
Wow. Paano mo tapalunin niya?
Draw mo. Draw. Go, go, go.
I was able to match Charles. Puti na lang. Putting for birdie also. 6 paces. Lunukin mo. Subukan mo.
Darna! Impact.
Jarna. Okay. Darna, anong tingin mo? Kanan, ano?
Batman, kanan.
Batman. Hati-hati lang. Regular lang, ano? Okay. Charles also putting for birdie. Uy, bumali. That's good, that's good. Damo na yun eh, no? Ulan din! Parang medyo na-pull ko rin. Ramdam ko na. Sayang, missed opportunity. Kay Wonder Woman, ay Darna pala siya, ayaw niya Wonder Woman. Okay, still leading by 5 strokes because of the plus. Okay, both par. So now, playing hole number 11. Normally, tatawid to ni Charles siguro eh. Pero against the wind. Tsaka, natangintay. Okay, so hole number 11. 295 yards. Ako ay playing safe lang with most likely a 6 iron.
Draw.
More.
Nice shot.
Shot.
Okay. Hole in one. 295 Charles going for it with his driver. Abot. Parang over ka pa sa bunker, Charles eh. Good shot. Gusto mo talaga masuspend si Ate Weng mo? Tanong ka ng tanong. Oh, grabe. Lagpas pa sa green si Charles. Against the wind yun. Grabe. Woo! Lupet. I am left with 95 yards to the flag. So aim a little left, hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Go! Go!
Kick left.
Sayang di ko na videohan. Si Charles ended there before the bunker sa left side. So he did the flap shot. So I think he's in for birdie. Ako putting for birdie din. Ang hirap ng pwesto ko. Si Charles is mga 6 feet. 6 to 7 feet for birdie. Ako, I am still 10 paces. It looks like a little right to left. Pag ganyan yung slope of the green. Okay. According to Darna, sa putol lang, sa gitna ng dalawa. Kung may plus ba?
Plus 1.
+1. Na firm?
Opo.
Paakyat. Mahina pa yun. Thank you. Charles Tulu for birdie. Uy! Mabait talaga tong batang to. Mapagbigay. Update. Through 11 holes, I'm still leading by 5 strokes because of the plus. So we both parred hole 11. Medyo unfortunate miss putt for Charles. So lumalawang pa tayo ngayon na save pa 1,000 natin. Wala pang, kaso walang pang baon si Charles, dagdag. Okay, tingnan natin. So hole number 12, playing 160, pero because of from the rangefinder it's playing 150 yards. It's downwind, pero I'm still hitting a 9-iron.
Kick left. Kick left. Kick left. Yun.
Safe na safe.
Go. Nice show.
Sayang hindi ko nakita yung video ni Charles. A little short. Medyo short siya. 17 yards to the flag. Medyo mabagal to no? Just inside the gimme range siya, right? So, one grip sa kanan, tama? Mahigit.
Mahigit sa kalahati.
Mahigit kalahati.
Pasok!
Naku, lakas!
Uy!
Naku!
Tama na!
Ang lakas! Both mediocre second shots for myself and for Charles. Both putting for par. Ako, I have 6 paces uphill for par. Si Charles siguro mga 15 feet. Okay. Mahina! Alak ka. Left inside, ano?
Opo.
Alright, so for hole number 12, Charles and I both bogeyed the hole. So with that, I'm still leading by 5 strokes because of the plus. So playing the 13th hole. Galing ni Charles. Manamalas lang siya sa a bit sa short game. Saka hindi nalaglag yung mga putts niya. That's why I'm still leading. Galing ng recovery. So dito natin malalaman. Dito niya ako baka makarne sa 3 par 5 sa back 9. So let's see. Malayo pa man din ang tingin ngayon sa 13. It is 490 dulong-dulo ang blue tee, plus it's against the wind. Okay, one decent drive.
Oy. Ay.
Patay. 3 shot hole. Kaliwa lang. That was a very terrible tee shot. Kabig na kabig. Hit the trees. So it's going to be a 3-shot hole. Hitting a hybrid.
Alright!
I'm left with 205 yards to the flag. Pero lakas ng hangin. Pero parang wala naman yata sa harap. I'm hitting a 4-iron. Parang nalaglag. Parang may nakita ako sa may harap.
Charles, parang alanganin sa tubig.
Oh.
Alanganin sa tubig.
Okay, hitting a
Alanganin
4-iron.
sa tubig.
Sayang. Nalaglag ako sa tubig. 43 yards to the pin. Left, right to. Pwede na yung tirang 30.
Apo.
Kaliwa. Sa puno, iba yung bakal, di ba? Sa puno lang sa kanan nun.
Bite.
5 paces right to left. Doon sa may pitch mark sa kanan. Kulang yun. Halos sa linya sa puti. Kung 5, ilan? 3 na ano. Okay.
Go, go. Eee! Bogey.
What a save.
Woo! Okay. Ever one stroke lang kay Charles. Okay, bogey. Bumali sa dulo. Okay. Whew. I survived. Ano ka dun, Charles? Bogey? Bogey rin? Wala akong nabawas sa stroke. Swerte ko. Swerte. Sobrang swerte ko lang ngayon sa butas na yun. Okay, so we both bogeyed. Thank you ulit, Charles. Pinagbibigyan ako ng bata. Okay, so hole 14, I'm still leading 5 strokes because of the plus. So playing hole 14, 510 yards. Okay. Charles will show me the way. Woo! Nagalit. Grabe yan. Grabe yung baby draw na yan. Grabe. Parang sa pababa na. Grabe yun, Charles, ha? Layo. Mahina ba yun? Mahina ba yun? Seryoso? Ay, shot. Wow. Sige na yan. Masaya ako dyan. Ay! Okay lang. Masaya na ako dyan. Left with around 190, 188. Actually, around 200 siguro to. Pero downwind, hitting a 7 iron. Bahala na if it lands on the green or not. Delikado. Iba yung narinig kong tumunog. Parang drum yun na tumunog. May narinig ka bang puno? Parang wala eh, no?
Tama ako sa ganun.
Charles going for it also. Turn pa. Sakto yata yan. Ganda. Nice shot, Charles. Okay, it landed on the bunker. Buti hindi tumama. Sayang, pwede sanang for eagle. Charles is already on the green, putting for eagle. Kaliwa to, no? Okay. Maliit lang.
Bilog lang ng bilog.
Tama na.
Bite.
Thank you. Charles putting for eagle. So if ever this is going to be an easy birdie for him, ako batting for birdie. 4 feet. Oof. That's good, Charles. Okay. Kanan, ano? Loob na. Firm. Oh, parang right inside na. So, palit tayo. Mapar ko to. Okay. Right inside, firm.
Birdie.
Okay. Buti lang, hindi na siya shoot yung bird. Eagle putt ni Charles at ako chamba. Okay, so because of the plus. Okay. Charles, hindi ako sandbag, 8 talaga handicap ko. Okay, so playing last par 5, hole 15. Okay. Hole 15, playing 442 yards, slightly against the fan. Okay. Oy, too much. Uy, nag-cut. For right! Okay. Tirang mga 50, no? 50. Buti nilang nahanap yung first ball. So si Charles is there on the right. Okay, kailangan ko lang mag-par lang. Advantage pa rin yung points.
Kala ko tatama pa.
Kala ko magtatama pa.
Ang late na.
Okay, Charles. 230. Uy, nag-bleed right. Hindi nag-draw. Okay, playing 170 against the wind, uphill, hitting a 7-iron. We have a slight opening. Si Charles, second shot niya went to the right. Third shot na pala, went to the right. May slight opening ako. Maganda yata yan, Wing. Maganda yata yan.
Napasayaw na naman po siya.
That was a very nice third shot, 7-iron. Buti nagpalit ako from 8 to 7. Okay, good shot. So Charles's third shot. Charles's third shot. Short lang. Charles putting for his par. Bumali. That's good, that's good. Dinadaan ko kasi sa joke si Charles eh, kaya ano. Isang bola lang. May isang cup pa. Halos isang cup. Firm lang, no? Mahina!
Ay! Buti na!
Akala ko mahina. Buti lang, my first ball was safe. So that was a very, very good up and down for birdie. Buti na lang, super swerte. Okay, medyo masama yung putting ni Charles. So last 3 holes, iwas lang ng sabog. Iwas lang ng sabog. Okay. So the friendly wager namin ni Charles. Of course, di ko naman kukuhanan ng pera to si Charles. So ang bet namin, if I win, bibigyan may free lessons ako sa kanya. So sakto, I wanna learn how to shape the golf ball naman talaga. So he will teach me if ever I win. So 16th hole, playing 105 yards now today. So white flag, slightly crosswind, wala yatang against. Hitting a 50-degree wedge, 56. Walang hangin. Ang tigas ng lupa. Wing. Kanan. Tama na. So, we are both putting for birdie. I am 3 paces for my birdie. Tapos currently pala 7. Bogey nga pala si Charles sa 15. So I'm currently up 7 strokes. Ayaw talaga malaglag. Okay. Maliit lang to. Kanan. Kanan ano? Pwedeng hati-hati pa. Kalating bola. Regular lang ano? Regular na firm pataas. No? Mahina, Luigi. Sayang. Missed birdie chance. One of the closest birdies for the day. Sayang, I missed it. So currently, because of my plus, I am up 7 strokes. So if we played straight up pala, ganun kasama yung laro ni Charles. I'm down 1 if we played straight up. Pero I can't play straight up kay Charles. He's too good. So wala lang daw talaga siyang practice dito sa Navy. So ngayon sa hole 17, last 2 holes, I'm up 7 strokes. So hole 17 is playing 160 yards. So it's slightly downwind. I might hit either a 9 iron or 8 iron. Pero most likely I might hit an 8 iron. Go. Nawala rin yung hangin.
Bakit? Ay, behind. Nice shot.
Terrible. T-shot chunked. Chunky. Okay, left with 120 yards. So I'll try to punch draw. 9 iron. Tara.
Ako po.
Relax. Gumalaw yung bola bago ko palawin. Huwag kang magko-collapse, Luigi. Playing 100 yards. Playing 4. Hitting a 60-degree wedge.
Go. Kick right.
Charles with his second shot. Galing. Good shot, Charles. Ano yun? 50?
60 po.
60 pa rin. Okay. For my double bogey, right to left, 10 paces. Sa may linya? O maliit lang to?
Maliit lang.
Parang naalala ko maliit nga lang to. Halos doon sa putol. Okay. Mabilis to, diba? Kung G's, tirang mga 8.
Di aabot yun, sir.
Charles for par. That's good, Charles. Ano tingin mo? Hati-hati? What a terrible hole. Ano ko doon? Quadruple. 7. On a par 3. Doon pa nagsabog. Don't choke, Luigi. Don't choke. Okay, hole number 18, last hole. Hole number 18, 380 yards. Being safe.
Uy! Tayo ka dyan.
Sa may net. Ay naka Luigi, anong ginagawa mo? Mukhang I had to take a probationary shot pa. Kasi may white stick pala dito sa tee-shot ko. So, we'll see kung safe ang aking first shot ko. Hindi. I'm already playing 3. That was the first time na mag 7. 7 ako sa par 3. That was 4 over. Okay, sige. Concentrate. Last hole. Try to finish strong. Okay, buti lang my first ball was safe. So, hitting just a 4 iron. Okay, I'm left with 19 yards to the pin. I just need to get this on the green and I think I have this. So si Charles nasa bunker. Malaki to sa kaliwa. Doon ba sa mga dahon? O malaki yun masyado? Doon mismo, di ba? Okay. bite. Shoot. Ayan, kusan yung bola ni Charles. Labas lang na.
Kaliwa pa lang. Malakas.
Hoy! May bite naman yan. Hindi naman. 5 paces for par. Okay, parehas kami ni Charles putting for par. Sa putol ng linya sa kanan. Sa gitna niyan. Okay, sa gitna. 5 paces. -1.
Ay, okay.
Hindi naman siguro ako magpa-4 putt dito. Hina. Masyado kong inoff na to. Nice par. So technically, kung 2 strokes lang, panalo ko ng 1 stroke. No? Okay, free lessons from Charles. Charles, thank you very much, brother. Thank you, thank you. So sakto lang yung plus. Nagkalat lang talaga ako sobra sa 70 tone. Alright, so thank you very much for subscribing. So please like, comment, and subscribe if you like videos like these. Thank you. Alright, so the official score after our round, the 1v1 versus Charles. Okay, sa back 9, because of that quadruple bogey, I ended up with 5 over sa back. Si Charles ended with 3 over. So because of my plus, I won by 3 strokes. Masaya na naman si Wengder Woman. Mga Siyempre. Nice shot.